Okay, so now let's get into our first example. Example 1, solve a system of equations by adding. Our directions are to solve each system of equations using the elimination method. So we're going to do 1A, and we're going to use the steps that we previously discussed in order to solve this problem. So first thing, we need to make sure that both equations are in standard form, and they sure are. Then the next step is to add the equations together to eliminate. So I see that the x's are stacked on top of each other, and I see that the y's are stacked on top of each other. So all we're going to do is we're going to take these two equations and we're going to add them together. So this x has a 1 in front of it, and I know 1 plus 2 is 3x. I also know that these y's have a 1 in front of it, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we end up with plus 0y equals 7 plus 2 is 9. Well, anything times 0 is 0, correct? So this is all just going to cancel out. It's going to go away. And what we are left with is 3x equals 9. All right, now we just need to solve for the remaining variable that's left over. In this case is x. So we're going to divide both sides by 3, and we're going to get x equals, well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So that is our first answer. Remember, we need to write our answer as an ordered pair, so we need 2 numbers. This is just our first one. So now we're going to go into step 4, which is to substitute the value back in. We can pick whichever equation that we want. I'm actually going to pick this first one. You can pick the second one if you want, but I'm going to pick the first one that I circled. So instead of writing x, I'm going to write 3 plus y, because that's what the rest of the equation says, equals 7. Now I just need to solve for y. So I know that 3 is being added to y, and the opposite of adding 3 would be subtracting 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 from either side, and I get y equals 4. Okay, so now we just need to write our answer as an ordered pair. So our answer is 3, 4. Make sure you put parentheses around them, okay? That's what an ordered pair is, has parentheses around it. All right, on to the next example.